Section 4. Signs, Smoking, Asbestos and Housekeeping. The United Kingdom has adopted the standards of the European Community concerning both fire safety and general health and safety signs. Safety signs are provided to warn of significant risks to health and/or safety in circumstances where these have not been avoided or controlled by other means, such as engineering controls or safe systems of work. In addition to the fire safety signs mentioned in Section 3, here are the other main categories shown in their appropriate shapes and colours. It is important that you become familiar with these categories. A prohibition sign is a sign prohibiting behaviour likely to increase or cause danger. For example, no smoking. A warning sign is a sign giving warning of a hazard or danger. For example, danger, electric shock risk. A mandatory sign is a sign prescribing specific behaviour. For example, eye protection must be worn in this area. And an emergency sign is a sign giving information, for example, about an emergency escape or first aid. A no-smoking policy operates throughout the university in keeping with the national law of Scotland. Smoking, including the use of e-cigarettes or personal vaporizers, is prohibited within all university buildings, university-owned or leased vehicles, private vehicles used on university business if carrying non-smoking passengers, and within 15 feet, that is 4.6 metres, of any university entrance, doorway, stairs, open window or covered area. Additional prohibitions may be imposed by your department because, for example, of the proximity of flammable substances to the normal exclusion zone. Any complaints about violations of the policy should be reported to your line manager or departmental safety convener, or if necessary, referred to the head of department. Asbestos is a naturally occurring fibrous material that in the past was used as an insulator, for fireproofing, and for protection against corrosion in both buildings and equipment. Asbestos-containing materials that are in good condition and in a location where they are not going to be disturbed or damaged pose no risk to health. However, when asbestos or asbestos-containing materials are disturbed or damaged, they can release asbestos fibres, which, if inhaled, can lead to the development of serious lung conditions over a long period of time. Individual asbestos fibres are actually too small to see with the human eye, so their existence can only be verified by trained people through appropriate on-site sampling and then testing in an accredited laboratory. Estate Services is responsible for managing risks from asbestos throughout the university. If you discover a material that you suspect to be asbestos and which looks disturbed or damaged, then please take the following actions. Do not disturb it any further. Ensure occupants leave the immediate area. Lock the door or warn others against entering. Immediately report the incident to the Estate Services Help Desk so that someone can take appropriate action to manage the situation, and also report the incident to your departmental safety convener and to the safety team. Good housekeeping can greatly reduce the risk of accidents and fires, and everyone has a part to play in promoting tidy workplaces. Your line manager will tell you about particular arrangements for your workplace. Please now select and complete the next module in My Place, which is a short quiz.